Been a great experience at Lenore-Ryan University here at the Teaching and Learning Institute.
I really didn't know what I was going to get into. I have a lot to take home. I was challenged to make a project of a takeaway from this experience. This really confused me. Just one? Sorry, I've learned too much. I have 3 projects to work with at Carson Newman's Department of Physical Education and Exercise Science. First, we need to better utilize video throughout the department. Next, I want to support the faculty with technology implementation. Finally, we need to better utilize backward design into curriculum development.
A plan has been developed so that all teachers are going to make a screencast, and this will introduce the class to their students. They're going to explain how to find the course materials, how to submit assignments, how to do the discussions, and anything else that's needed for the class. It's going to set the students up for success. It's going to get the students excited about the classes. It's going to engage the teacher in new multimedia. Some of us are already using videos in our classes. I'm using the flipped classroom. Admittedly, my videos are very boring. They're just not engaging to students. The new plan is to use interactive videos.
New medium that looks like TV, but feels like the web. With Touchcast, the article appears at first like a regular TV-style graphic, but with a touch, it launches into full browser mode. Pull up a stream of tweets like this one and simply place it on the screen. Now touch the feed and see what happens. It updates in real time. Or pull up a video like this one and place it on the screen. Or grab an image or 2. Now your Touchcast is a container for other media. It all lives inside the Touchcast. You can even draw directly on the video.
Another strategy is to create discussion videos in a podcast format with area professionals. This has the side benefit of improving alumni relations, which hopefully will add to our fundraising. There's several steps to doing this. We want to do it right, so we're going to try to do it with a recording studio. Fortunately, Carson Newman has one. We're going to tour it on Tuesday. If it doesn't meet our needs, we will convert an unused office using donated equipment. An exciting piece of technology that the Physical Education and Exercise Science Department can utilize is 360-degree video. The world is round. We need to fully capture it. We can implement video into our instruction. Here's an example. Dr. Stanley is going to take 360-degree pictures and videos in different gyms. Students will analyze and compare different layouts of gyms from provided 360-degree videos. They will be able to design the cardiovascular, weightlifting, and functional training rooms that best utilize the space and various constraints. Snapshot pictures don't allow students to see all the variables, and field trips are time-consuming and expensive. 360-degree cameras can be extremely useful in analysis of teaching. I teach people how to be physical education instructors. We could hang a 360-degree camera in the gym, and they'll be able to watch not only what the teacher is doing, but also how the students respond.
And I think one of the coolest ways to actually watch a 360 video isn't just by scrolling it around with your finger, is to sit on an office chair and to be able to spin around, and you can see the 360 video in real time as it's playing whilst you're spinning around, so you can actually see whatever you want to see.
We want to better utilize social media in our department. There's lots of ways to go about doing this. Possibly building better student relationships with Facebook, professional communities with LinkedIn, discussions and recognition with Twitter, photo sharing with Instagram, or group video conferencing with Google Hangouts. Communication possibilities are growing. It will take careful planning, but we can use this as a venue to improve education. Maybe not as glamorous, but definitely important. Our department needs a focus on backwards design and curriculum mapping. We've been guilty of reusing learning objectives from old syllabi and planning our material based on what we think is important. Time to embrace the program goals, align the course's learning objectives, and develop the assessments and lessons from there. TLI allows teaching to improve, causing increased student learning. Our students' mission is to improve the health and wellness of those they impact. The outreach and influence of the TLI will have generational benefits.